Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide notifications on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. I lock my phone and I again here press side key. Now phone is in locked, but here notifications are showing. Some notifications are showing. Okay. So I can understand that 3 YouTube notifications and other one notifications are available in my phone without entering into my phone. So if you would like to hide this notification on lock screen, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of phone here, then go to notifications, and here select lock screen notifications, and here in lock screen notification it is selected show content, so that notifications are showing on the lock screen. Okay, if you would like to hide content on notification, click on hide content and no notifications will be showing when you lock your phone. Okay, after locking you will not see any notifications. See here, there is no notifications are showing. It's unlocked. Again I go there, settings, and click on notifications and lock screen notifications, and here I have done hide content. Okay, then show content when unlocked. Content will be shown when unlocked only. Okay, notifications to show. What are the notifications to show? Here click on it, and here alert and silent notifications are alert notifications only. You can select any one of them. In this way you can easily hide notifications, that is content on the notification lock screen content. You can hide no notifications contents on lock screen in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.